Here we have a SAT math question. Here we have a system of two equations. In the system of equations above, a and b are constants and a equals to 2b. If the system has no solution, which of the following could be a possible value of a? So our aim is to find the value of a. Okay, so in the given system, both the equations are linear. So if I sketch the graphs of these two equations, I'll be getting two straight lines, and the two straight lines may intersect at a point. So then the point of intersection over here is the solution for the given system. And also when two lines intersect at a point, so the given system has only one solution. What if the two lines are parallel? Okay, let's do that. If two lines are parallel, they will never intersect, then the system will not have any solution. Okay, and the information in the question says the system has no solution. Since the system of two linear equations has no solution, the two lines given over here must be parallel. If two lines are parallel, then the slopes of the two lines must be equal. So we have to find the slope of each line, and we have to equate them. By equating the slopes, we'll be able to get the value of a. Okay, for that we have to find the slope of the first line and slope of the second line. For that, I have to write both the linear equations in slope intercept form, that is y equals to mx positive b. Okay, now let me write the first equation, 2x positive by equals to 10 in slope intercept form. So I subtract 2x from both sides, then the resulting equation is this 2x negative 2x will cancel out. I get by equals to negative 2x positive 10. Then I divide everything by b, then this b will cancel out, and I get y equals to negative 2 over b times x positive 10 over b. Now it is in slope intercept form, y equals to mx positive b. Okay, at the place of m, what do we have in our equation? Negative 2 over b. So m equals to negative 2 over b. Because in slope intercept form equation of a line y equals to mx positive b, this m, the coefficient of x, so the m refers to slope. So for the first equation over here, the slope is negative 2 over b. Okay, now let's write the second equation in slope intercept form, that is ax positive 4y equals to 15. Okay, let me subtract ax from both sides. Then the resulting equation is 4y equals to negative ax positive 15. Then I divide everything by 4. So this 4 will cancel out. I get y equals to negative a over 4 times x positive 15 over 4. So here comparing this and this, I get m equals to negative a over 4. Because this line, I mean y equals to negative a over 4 times x positive 15 over 4 is in slope intercept form. At the place of m, we have negative a over 4. So the slope of the second line is negative a over 4. Okay, since the system has no solution, the two lines given by these two linear equations are parallel, then the slopes must be equal. So we can equate the slope of the first line and slope of the second line. Okay, let's do that. So negative 2 over b equals to negative a over 4. Okay, here we find negative, here we find negative. When I multiply both sides of this equation by negative 1, this negative will cancel out. I get 2 over b equals to a over 4. Okay, so to get rid of the denominator on both sides, I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by 4b. So b will cancel out. Here 4 will cancel out. 4 times 2 is 8, and a times b is ab. Okay, from the given information, we have a equals to 2b. That is, we can plug in 2b for a. So let me do it. So 8 is equal to, for this a, we can plug in 2b. So 2b times b. Then 8 equals to 2b times b will be 2b square. Okay, so let's solve for b. Once we get the value of b, we can plug in the value of b into this equation and solve for a. Because according to the question, we have to find the value of a. Okay, to solve for b, we have to get rid of all the values around b. So first, let me divide both sides by 2. So this 2 will cancel out. 8 over 2 is just 4. 4 equals to b square. Okay, to get rid of the square, I am taking square root on both sides. So here also I am taking square root. So the square root and square will cancel out. Whenever I take square root for a number, in front of that, I always have positive or negative sign. So positive or negative, square root of 4 is just 2. On the right side, we have b. So I'm getting two values for b. So the first value of b can be taken as positive 2. The second value of b can be taken as negative 2. Okay, now let's plug in b equals to 2 into this equation. A equals to 2b. Then I'll be getting a equals to 2 times. For b, we can plug in 2 times 2. So I get a equals to 4. and a equals to 2 times. For b, we have to plug in the second value, that is negative 2. Then I get a equals to negative 4. Okay, I'm getting two values for a. One is 4 and other one is negative 4. But the question is asked us to find a possible value of a. So when I look at all the four options, I find this value 4 in option C. So the correct answer choice for this question is option C.